Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching just@click.com, and this video is dedicated to all about the Dell Latitude 3340 out here. A very interesting gadget out here released by Dell Latitude series out there. Talking about this variant, it is based out with a good processing system, great platforms used out. Intel's platform is really an amazing version and has been widely used. Along with that, you also get to see that it is working on the Windows operating system out there with 64 bytes edition. So that is also an amazing version out here. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that the variant out here offers the great range of specifications in each and every section. Talking about these specifications, let us first come to the main part, that is the internal part. That is a processor out here. Which processor does it uses? It uses Intel Core i5 fourth generation process. Yes, Intel Core i5 fourth generation process could be seen out in this variant, which is offering you a clock speed or base clock speed of 1.6 gigahertz. Yes, you get to have a clock speed of 1.6 gigahertz out there. Apart from that, you get to have a maximum turbo speed, which is approximately 2.6 gigahertz. So a good max turbo speed could be seen out of 2.6 gigahertz, a great clock speed. So overall, it is very good out there. When we talk about these things, we cannot neglect out the fact that it is offering you a dual core processor. Yes, the dual core processor is also an integral part out there when we talk about Dell Latitude 3340 out here. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the main featuring which is being offered out by Dell series out there. It is the Intel Turbo Boost technology 2 years. This gadget also has Intel Turbo Boost technology 2. These are the specifications for the internal core part. What about the storage? Because storage is an important part, and when we know about the storage, then it plays a very important role. If it's a less stored gadget, then it might not be as convenient as it looks. So talking about the storage, then we can say that it offers you a cache memory of installed size L2 type 3 MB. Yes, it is offering you an installed size of 3 MB, which is the cache memory. Along with that, it offers you a good cache type, that is L2 type out there. Apart from that, you also get to see that the RAM out offered is very good. RAM is the random accessory memory out here offered out by this gadget, which is offering you an installed size of 4 GB. Yes, the installed size of 4 GB could be seen out in this variant. Along with that, you get to have a good memory speed, that is the rated memory speed out here. It offers you approximately 1600 megahertz rated memory speed. So 1600 megahertz is a good rated memory speed out here. It is not at all a bad variant. We can say it is a good version out there. Along with that, you get to see that the variant out here offers you a good RAM type. Yes, if we talk about the RAM type, then it is offering you DDR3L RAM type. So a good RAM type would be seen out here. Along with all the specifications out there, yes, you get to have a good specification in this variant. Talking about the expandability, because sometimes 4 GB is not possible out for every gadget to be quite sufficient. So expandability is required, and it does offer you the expandability out here. But yes, expandability depends upon the gadget out there and depends upon how the variant has been used. Talking about this variant, let us talk about hard drive also, because talking about RAM and the storage is not sufficient. Talking about hard drive storage is also important, because that actually determines what kind of hard drive storage does it offers, what kind of storage does it has. Offering you 500 GB hard drive storage in the form of HDD, it is offering you a great specifications. Yes, offering you a good range of hard drive storage is important out here. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it offers you HDD type of hard drive storage. So it is having a speed out there, because HDD drives usually offers you speed. The spindle speed out here offered by this gadget is 5400 RPM. So 5400 RPM is a spindle speed offered out by the hard drive out there. So overall RAM, storage, cache, the storage part is quite good out here. Now let us talk about the screening, because this is the first thing which comes in our mind when we see any gadget. And talking about the screen size, It offers you 33.8 centimeter screen sizes, the size out here offered by this gadget. A wide screen size that is 33.8 centimeters out here. Along with that, you get to see LED display with a backlight technology, HD resolution, as well as you get to see that this resolution out here offers you so 1366 into 768 out there. So this is a good HD resolution offered out. So overall, if you talk about this variant, then LED screen with a WLED backlight or the backlight specific technology is being used out here with LED resolution. So overall, it's a very good variant. And screen size is also definitely good out here. But when we are talking about this gadget, when we are talking about display, we know that display is really important. And when we talk about display, the first thing which after display or the first thing once we see the display comes in our mind is the camera, the graphics, the multimedia, videos out there, the audio out there. So this is all related to the graphical processor. And talking about the graphics, it offers you Intel HD 4400 graphics. Yes, Intel HD graphics of 4400 is being used out in this variant. Talking about this variant, then we can see that the graphics is good. It is offering you a good graphical processor with all the specifications. It has got integrated webcam with stereo type speakers, microphones out here. You get to have a good sound quality, premium recording out there, good capturing resolution, everything. Apart from that, you get to have a good connectivity with internal and external parts. Like it offers you internal connectivity with the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, sound quality out there. That is the inbuilt stereo type speakers out there, inbuilt microphones out there. These kind of sound quality. Externally, also it provides a good connectivity with USB connectors, SD card readers out there, audio input output jack out there. You get to see power connectors out there. It might not offer you any optical drive connectivity, that is the DVD write-ups out here. It might not offer you that. But yes, it is offering you all other specifications out there which are mandatory for any gadget. Talking about this gadget, let us talk about the battery also, because it is the part which actually determines the weight and the heating capacity of that gadget. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it offers you approximately 65 volts battery capacity with lithium ion 6 cell battery. Yes, you get to have 6 cell lithium ion battery offering you 65 volts capacity out here. So 65 volts capacity could be seen out here. These are the specifications which we talked about. But what about the pricing? Because every gadget is determined or is worth it if the pricing is actually worth of the specification. And talking about the pricing, let us visit this site. The site just at click.com. Yes, the site just at click.com offers you great range of specifications. Yes, you get to have amazing specifications out there. You get to see amazing products out there with huge savings. Because gadgets out here offers you pocket friendly rates. What is the site name? Just at click.com. Yes, the site name has been highlighted. Just at click.com is the site name. Apart from these things, you get to have an option that is customizability option. Yes, you can customize your gadget accordingly. You can customize the variant according to your needs. If it has been allotted by the company, yes, if the company has allotted this customization, you can customize that gadget according to that. Now talking about this gadget, let us search this gadget in this search icon, because it helps us to identify our gadgets in a very limited format. So this is the result out here. A small description is given at the bottom out there. You get to see description, pricing, everything is there. It is coming with bag free and has a product condition refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or certified refurbished products, we can say that they are absolutely brand new like. Yes, you will find that they are brand new like gadgets. They have the same structure, design, everything is same, outlook is same. Along with that, you get to see the same functionality out there. Talk about anything in that gadget, like the display out here, the screening out there, the design, the weight out there. So everything is same. You can see that refurbished, certified refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar. Like they are absolutely same like products out there, as well as they are same in the testing parameters. They have the same functionality, same design, everything is same out there. Apart from that, let us talk about why refurbished products are slightly different from the brand new. Refurbished products are actually pre-owned gadgets. Yes, you get to have a pre-owned gadget by refurbished. Refurbished word itself means creating something new, like, and which it is creating something new from what? A pre-owned thing out there. So this is what happens in refurbished or certified refurbished products. They are pre-owned gadgets. Now, when we talk about the pathway, because how this pre-ownization happens out there. So this happens in the brand new pathway only. Now, what happens in the brand new? A company releases its gadget first time into the market. Yes, first time they are releasing a gadget into the market. And when they are releasing a gadget in the market, they get to see that the product is for the very first time, it is named as brand new. It is brought up in the marketplace. From this marketplace, different users buy it. Yes, users like us, we are the users, we buy this brand new gadget. Now this terminates the brand new cycle out here. Yes, this terminates the brand new cycle for that particular gadget. And when we talk about this gadget, then we can say that the gadget now with the user is a pre-owned gadget, pre-owned brand new gadget, we can say. Yes, this is a pre-owned brand new gadget offered out by that user. No, the user has that gadget. This is the pre-owned gadget by the user. Now, what happens that user wants to sell that gadget off, or the person here does not want to use that gadget anymore and wants to resell it. So it is brought up into the marketplace, and this is the pathway followed out in the refurbished category. Now, what is this refurbished category? What kind of things it happens? Now, when we talk about this refurbished category or refurbished pathway, this user out here with a pre-owned gadget sells off this pre-owned gadget or the gadget it has to a website or a marketplace out here. Yes, they sell off their gadgets to the marketplace out there. Along with that, you get to see that the gadget has been resold under the condition of refurbished to the new user. Yes, the new user out here has that gadget under the category of refurbished. Now, what are these refurbished things in this? Refurbished is something like a gadget has been pre-owned by a user, has been used for a while, and then has been replaced, renewed, or we can say tested, verified, approved for each and every testing, then sold it off to another user. This is what happens in refurbished. We can also say that the brand new product or the refurbished products are co-linked because refurbished is the extension to brand new. Yes, every brand new gadget becomes refurbished, or we can say every refurbished gadget. Yes, every refurbished gadget was once a brand new gadget. This is actually a saying out there by a refurbished product. Now, when we say about these refurbished products out there, uh, the only difference lies out in this pathway is the testing sites. Yes, the testing site differs out. What happens is a company, before bringing out into the marketplace, tests that gadget on various websites, on various sites out there for each and every parameter, whether it's internal components, external components, it's dimension, anything it could be. They have to be tested and verified on different sites before releasing into the market. But what happens is when a user for that pre-owned gadget is selling off that gadget to a marketplace, it is tested and verified on that particular site before reselling to another user. Yes, before reselling or buying, it has to be tested and verified. So this is the main difference out in the pathway offered out by this brand new and refurbished gadgets. Now let us talk about the parameters, because we know that testing parameters are important out there, as well as you get to see that the gadgets out here offer the same design, same functionality, same testing and approving out there. So talking about the parameters, there are basically two parameters involved: external parameters and internal parameters. You get to have external and internal parameters out there. Now talking about the external parameters, these parameters do not require any software, any tool out there, or does not require any specialized equipment. Because it is a direct through eyes process, because you can directly see what kind of parameters you would like to see, like whether it has scratch or not. For example, or the things or the parameters in the external parameters are like scratches, scratch proof things out there, display, screen size, battery life, charging capacity, buttons, placement of button, intactness out there, working of each and every button, touchpad out there, whether the touchpad is working or not. If it's a rotational gadget, then whether it can rotate or not. If it's not a rotational gadget, then is it a notebook? What kind of a gadget it is? So these kind of things, like integrated webcam out there, capturing resolution or capturing capacity of that gadget, sound quality, jack systems out there, connectors out there. So everything which can be externally checked out without any equipment, any software, is known as external parameter in that gadget. Whereas in the internal parameters, you required highly designed softwares, tools, equipments out there, because these are testing of internal parts. Yes, you get to test internal parts out here. Now, talking about these internal parts, what are these internal parts all about? These includes the processor, speed, RAM, cache out there, internal storage out there, the speed of each and every processor out there, in core system, spindle speed, RAM speed out there. Everything has to be verified. Each and every part has to be verified. Graphics, what kind of graphics does it uses? If it's not working, the connector is not working, whether the pins are working or not. So whether it is same power or not, the internal capacities, everything, each and every section has to be verified. Once it is verified, it is termed as refurbished or certified refurbished products, depending upon what the company would name it, but they are actually same. Certified refurbished or refurbished products are actually same. Now, what if a gadget fails in any of the parameter, any of the tests out there? If it fails in any of the parameter, it is nullified out there. Or if it can be renewed, if it can be replaced, any part could be replaced, anything is damaged and it could be replaced, then it is replaced out there and renewed and termed as refurbished product. So it is important to pass all the parameters out there. It cannot fail in any of the parameter, and if it fails out, it is not listed on the website. Now let us talk about the benefits, but why are we talking about refurbished products? Because there must be some benefits out there. Talking about refurbished products, number one benefit comes out to be the pocket friendly rating. Yes, if you talk about the rates out there, brand new products are actually expensive out there. Yes, you will find that brand new products are quite expensive and they might be slightly higher in the pocket out there. Whereas the refurbished products are actually less expensive, quite pocketable as compared to brand new. So they are quite good in the rating out there. Since there is a difference in the pricing out here, so you get to have a good amount of savings. Yes, you can have a good amount of savings out there, because difference in pricing lies out the difference in savings out there. We know that brand new products offers you a warranty period, 1 year warranty, exchange policies out there. These are offered out by brand new gadgets. But what would happen if you directly buy any pre-owned gadget? Yes, if you buy any pre-owned gadget, what would happen? Usually, we don't get any warranty period with pre-owned gadgets if we directly buy it through someone. But if you have a condition or a product type condition written as refurbished, you get to have refurbished condition out there. You get to have 6 months warranty along with 7-day exchange policy. Yes, 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy could be seen out there. So this is what happens in refurbished products: 6 months warranty, 7-day exchange policy, pocketable rate, savings, a huge amount of savings you can say. So all these things could be seen out on this variant. Now, when we are going to see these kind of benefits, so why not we try this gadget once? And to try, let us visit out the website once again. The website name justatclick.com. Yes, the website name justatclick.com. The website itself says you are just a click away from your gadget, your favorite device out there. Whereas this site offers you mostly refurbished products out there, offering you large selection so you can have a good or a wide range of collection out there from your top brands, reputed brands, your favorite brands out there. You get to have great deals, offering you amazing pricing, pocketable rating out here, and less expensive, we can say, price, or the best market price, we can say, are offered out at this website. Along with that, you get to have a huge savings. Yes, you get to have a huge saving, because savings is really important nowadays. We love to have savings, and this site offers you huge savings because it offers you difference in the pricing. Along with that, it offers you 6 months warranty period. Yes, you get to have a 6 months warranty period along with that. Since you are having a 6 months warranty out there, this site offers you a option that is customizability option, COD option out there, as well as free shipping, exchange policy. So you get to have these option also. Now, what are this customizability option firstly? Customizability option offered out by justatclick.com offers you to customize your gadgets if it has been allotted by the company, like RAM, processor, storage out there. These kind of things could be customized if the company has allotted any customization to it. Whereas COD is available along with free shipping. Yes, you get to have free shipping out here. Uh, Free shipping is there, and free home delivery is there. You get to have money back guarantee, that is the 7 exchange policy out there. Online support system could be seen out here, a large collection, search icon to search your gadgets. So overall, this site offers you a great range of things out there. Talking about these things, you can visit out the website by Google. Just type justatclick.com, or you can visit out the description for the link. It has the link and a helpline number. You can check out that. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.